Hello 3T, it's Miss Cooper here, and I am so excited that in September you'll be joining me in 4C, and I know we're going to have an amazing year together. I am feeling a little bit sad that we didn't get to have a moving up morning, but Miss Taylor has told me so many amazing and positive things, and I can't wait to meet you. However, I do remember that we spent some time briefly together on World Book Day when I was lucky enough to read you a few chapters of George's Marvellous Medicine from Roald Dahl. I thought I would use this time that we have together to tell you a little bit about myself and why I love teaching and Hampton Junior School so much. So what I love about being a teacher is making learning interesting and exciting so that the children in my class want to learn, and that can create a magical buzz when we all share our learning together. There may be challenges along the way, but as a class, we will overcome them as a team. I will be there to support you, encourage you, and celebrate with you. Another reason why I love teaching so much is that I get to teach the fabulous HJS pupils. I think HJS is fantastic because we really are one big family who look out for each other. And we are a team. And that has been so important, especially over the last few months, where we've all had new challenges to overcome. In 4C, we are a team, and that is really important because we work together and we support one another. I was trying to think of my favourite subject to tell you, but I've managed to narrow it down to my top two. Firstly, I love maths. I love problem solving and trying to unpick a question, but using a variety of different methods to get to the answer. I think it's the best feeling when I have calculated a tricky question correctly. My other favourite subject is history. I'm fascinated by what happened hundreds and hundreds of years ago and how it has shaped the world that we live in today. In Year 4, we get to learn about the Romans, and we have a Roman Day where we get to dress up, and we also look at the Vikings as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few slides that will tell you a little bit more about me. Okay, so this is my lovely family at Wembley Stadium last year. This is my mum and dad, and this is my younger brother. We're there supporting our local football team, Portsmouth. I am originally from Portsmouth and moved to Hampton just over a year ago. So my hobbies is cycling, one of them. This picture was actually taken in Bushy Park. I really enjoy going on long, hilly bike rides, especially when you get to the top of a hill and that feeling of success you get when you finally get there. And then this is me at Fratton Park, Portsmouth City Football Club's local ground. I don't actually play the sport myself, but I really enjoy the competitive atmosphere you get when you watch a football match. And then down here is a picture of Ben Lomond in Scotland. I walked this mountain in October last year. It actually is just under 1,000 metres to get to the peak. And fingers crossed, in summer this year, I'm hopefully going to go to Wales and walk Mount Snowdon as well. So a few facts about me. So this picture is obviously of the beach. I was lucky that I grew up close to the coast, so I was able to go to the beach quite frequently. I love swimming in the sea, obviously not in December, but more in the summer months, and I do it as much as I can. This picture of a piano, I've played piano since I was about 6 or 7 years old. I find it so relaxing coming home after a busy day at school and just being able to sit at my piano and play for an hour or so. This picture here is of Henry Tudor. My favourite period in history is the Tudors, and I really enjoy reading about Henry VIII and his 6 wives. And this picture down here is of me paragliding in Croatia last year. I really like being able to push myself and taking part in activities that put me out of my comfort zone, and the paragliding definitely did that. And finally, over here I've got a pot of Marmite. I know some people either love it or hate it. I'm definitely on the love side. I could eat it on absolutely anything. And I thought it'd be quite nice to finish off with my favourite poem. It's called Us Two, and it's about friendship. Wherever I am, there's always Pooh. There's always Pooh and me. Whatever I do, he wants to do. Where are you going today? Says Pooh. Well, that's very odd, 'cause I was two. Let's go together, says Pooh, says he. Let's go together, says Pooh. What's twice 11? I said to Pooh. Twice what? Said Pooh to me. I think it ought to be 22. Just what I think myself, said Pooh. It wasn't an easy sum to do, but that's what it is, said Pooh, said he. That's what it is, said Pooh. Let's look for dragons, I said to Pooh. Yes, let's, said Pooh to me. We crossed the river and found a few. Yes, those are dragons all right, said Pooh. Yes, as soon as I saw their beaks, I knew. That's what they are, said Pooh, said he. That's what they are, said Pooh. Let's frighten the dragons, I said to Pooh. That's right, said Pooh to me. I'm not afraid, I said to Pooh, and I held his paw and I shouted, shoo! Silly old dragons, and off they flew. I wasn't afraid, said Pooh, said he. I'm never afraid with you. So, wherever I am, there's always Pooh. There's always Pooh and me. What would I do, I said to Pooh, if it wasn't for you? And Pooh said, true. It isn't much fun for one, but two can stick together, says Pooh, says he. And that's how it is, says Pooh. So I really hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about me today, 3T, and I can't wait to see you in September. Have a fabulous summer and take care. Bye.